132.25. 132.25.
132.25 for Osborne.
114.15.
114. First up to the scale from East London, please give it up for Themba Cecilia. But now fighting out of Cape Town, South Africa, please give it up for Felix Van Genay.
58.75 in the
Big Ben!
Big Ben Marcel from the DRC.
Tomorrow comes.
Kevin never fight someone like Big Man. Tomorrow is his day.
103.85 for Big Ben Marcel.
You never fought anyone like me. But tomorrow. Hang on the scale.
So time.
because if tomorrow comes. 100.85.
100.85 for the KO Kid. Tomorrow night to be contested over 6 rounds in a non-title bout.